There's a place I don't want you to know of, hidden deep in a blindfolded heart, where they're desperate to walk in silence, waiting for their ghost to depart.